How to add NatWest card to Apple Wallet. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Apple Wallet app on your device. This is the default app on your device. If you cannot find this app on your device, you can head over to the App Store, search for the app and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You're gonna land to this kind of interface. Now at the top right corner, you're gonna find this plus icon. Click on it. Different options will pop up. These are the available card options. Go ahead and select the option that best suits you. I'm going to select debit or credit card. After you select it, you have to click on the option of continue. With that, your camera will open up. Now I can scan your card, or also you can enter your card details manually. If you want to scan the card, position your debit or credit card in the frame to scan it. Or else what you can do is click on this option of enter card details manually. Now go ahead and type in your name, then type in your card number. Once you type in your card number, click on next. Now type in the card expiration date, likewise security code. Once you fill this, click on next and go through the process. With that, your card will be updated in Apple Wallet. Well, this is how you can easily add a NatWest card to Apple Wallet. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.